Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I'm very happy to see this and I'm very thankful to you for your this favor. Please be support me like this forever, friends. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video I am providing you most amazing, most attractive designs of handmade crochet shirts. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Because all of these shirts designs are so stunning, so unique and casual use. I hope you all love these type of most amazing designs of handmade crochet shirts. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of handmade crochet shirts ideas. I really hope that they will love these most attractive and most amazing designs and easy to make. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors combination and different type of themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs of crochet shirts. Must make these designs for yourself and must apply these designs for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So my lovely viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like the video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and the latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.